It's been said that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and we know that true beauty is more than skin deep, but there's nothing that says we can't give Mother Nature a little nudge. Hello, I'm Kristen Samos, and welcome to The Beauty Within. If you could change one thing about your appearance, what would it be? Would you like a supermodel smile? How about looking at the world without those rose-colored glasses? Want to wage the war on wrinkles? The Beauty Within gives you the naked truth behind the latest trends. Trends for a new you, for beauty on the cutting edge. Cosmetic procedures are more popular than ever, but do you know what to expect? And what about the latest in health and wellness? What's the rub on massage therapy and the skinny on medical weight loss? The Beauty Within gives you the information you need to take the next step to a new and improved self-confident you. So sit back, relax, and join us as we discover the beauty within. If you're nearsighted, farsighted, or suffer from astigmatism, our first segment will open your eyes to the world of LASIK. The Laser Vision Correction team at UC Davis has a vision to help people lose their glasses and enjoy visual freedom. Dr. Faze, Dr. Garcia, and Dr. Casper are board-certified ophthalmologists and scientists in the UC Davis Department of Ophthalmology. Along with colleagues Dr. Rosenblatt and Dr. Manis, they're experts at performing LASIK, custom LASIK, and other vision correction surgical procedures. Well versed in the field's latest discoveries, this team is most definitely a sight for sore eyes.
My vision was pretty bad. I started wearing glasses when I was 16 to drive at night, and then it progressively got worse as I got older. So by the time I actually had the surgery done, I couldn't see my hand in front of my face.
For Craig Hutton and thousands of lucky patients just like him, LASIK was the answer to a lifetime of blurred vision.
LASIK is a surgical procedure that sculpts the shape of the cornea, and by doing so, you change someone's prescription. To give you an example, when Craig came to us before his surgery, without his glasses or contact lenses, his vision was 2400. What it means is basically he could only see your hand right in front of him, but if you move it a couple of feet away, he couldn't even see your hand. After his surgery, which has been very successful, his vision is 20/15, and that's one of the smallest lines we have on the eye chart.
Craig started his journey by meeting with a member of the team to decide if laser vision correction was right for him. From his first meeting through scheduling, surgery, and follow-up, Dr. Faze was there.
One of the most unique things about the UC Davis Corrective Vision Services is that from the time a patient comes to see us, there's a physician that sees the patient, and the same physician follows the patient through their surgery and afterwards. What that gives us is the ability to get to know our patients very well before their surgery, make sure that they are good candidates, do the surgery, and then follow them in case they're going to have any follow-up, any problem with their follow-up.
Dr. Faze and his team have been wonderful to work with. They've done a very good job of keeping me feeling comfortable with the procedure, explaining it from the beginning.
Today, Craig is in for his follow-up, and his vision has never been better. Now he can truly enjoy visual freedom.
After LASIK, my vision has been wonderful. For me, just being able to get up and see the alarm clock in the morning has been fantastic.
In less than a half hour, Clifton Brown will see for himself the miracle of LASIK.
Clifton,
hi.
How are you?
After a quick pre-op exam, it's off to surgery.
It takes about 5 to 7 minutes per eye. From the time the patient is brought into the laser room, we position the patient on the laser bed. The eyes are numbed up, and there's an instrument in the eye that allows the patient to keep their eyes open. Subsequent to that, we engage the tracker on the laser, which is the instrument that actually follows the eyes in case the patient makes an eye movement.
The incision is made with an instrument called the microkeratome, which creates the flap. The laser is then applied to the cornea, the correction is made, and the flap put back into place. 15 minutes later, Clifton is back in the exam room.
After the procedure is done, we usually keep the patients in the office for about half an hour to an hour just to make sure they're okay.
With a clean bill of health, Clifton receives instructions for his aftercare.
We usually recommend the patients go home and pretty much try and take it easy for that day, especially the more they can keep their eyes closed, the better.
Keeping your eyes closed can be a tall order, especially when you're anxious to see without glasses for the first time.
Yeah, it was very simple. Didn't take too long. Can't wait till tomorrow and take my goggles off and see how clearly I can see without glasses.
It's been 1 month since Clifton's procedure, and his vision is currently 20/15 in both eyes. Clifton's surgery and all aftercare are covered with a one-time comprehensive fee. The laser vision correction team at UC Davis believes the gift of sight is priceless, so they offer a variety of financing options. Healthcare reimbursement accounts and insurance discounts may also apply. See the LASIK difference for yourself. Visit the web or call 916-734-6650 to schedule your appointment with the UC Davis Laser Vision Correction Service. When you go on vacation, do you pamper yourself with a massage? What if you could treat yourself to the therapeutic and stress-relieving benefits of massage therapy on a regular basis for an affordable price? Aching for a professional, stress-relieving, and therapeutic massage? Want to melt away the madness without putting a strain on your wallet? Then Massage Envy is just what the therapist ordered. Not a health club or a spa, Massage Envy is a massage-centric clinic focused on providing the best massage for the best price. Here's the rub. A professional massage often costs as much as $80, but at Massage Envy, membership has its privileges.
Your first massage at Massage Envy is $39, which is an incredible rate when you consider that most massages in this town go for around $80. Beyond that, if you decide you'd like to become a member, memberships are around $59 a month. That $59 includes a 1-hour massage each month, and then any additional massages that you would like above and beyond that are only $39.
With locations nationwide and over 4,000 appointments available each month, Massage Envy can restore balance to your mind and body whenever it's convenient for you.
I've been a member of Massage Envy for about 6 months, and I love the convenience and affordability of it. I get to call in the morning and schedule an afternoon appointment, pop in when it fits my needs, and it's just a nice treat for me, something to look forward to at the end of the day, and I love it.
Like so many of us, Stacy Harrison seeks massage therapy as an hour-long vacation from the outside world, hoping to relax and relieve the stress of a busy life.
With my job, I'm in and out of my car a lot and live in a very fast-paced world, on the go constantly, so it's nice for me to be able to relieve some of that stress and tension and backache that I get, and it just adds a nice little piece of my life.
Massage is very beneficial to the body. It decreases your blood pressure, it increases your range of motion, it increases your flexibility, and overall it drops your stress levels.
As an experienced, licensed, and certified therapist, Jennifer Brozee knows there are many positive aspects to receiving regular massage therapy.
People often look at massage as a pampering thing, that's something they only do on vacations. But being a member at Massage Envy has so many benefits. I get to see my clients upwards of 3 times a month, which really helps me work out their problems and get their stress levels and their bodies just to a place where they can relax and feel stress-free.
Massage can help you maintain a life of wellness and good health, but it's important to understand that what your body needs today may not be what it needs tomorrow. At Massage Envy, you can select the treatment that best fits your needs, all for the same affordable rate.
We offer a variety of massage types, from geriatric to sports. There's shiatsu, deep tissue, prenatal, and with about 30 therapists on staff and about 11 different massage types, we can handle pretty much anything.
You know, I like to come in and be able to ask for specific needs. If I have my back hurting more than my neck or whatnot, I can ask for deeper tissue, or I can ask for a really light massage just to relax. I usually go for a deep tissue massage for about an hour and a half.
As a member of Massage Envy, Michael Tracewell appreciates the welcome atmosphere.
The atmosphere at Massage Envy is really nice. Being a guy, I've gone to salons, I've gone to athletic clubs for massages in the past, and walking into a salon as a guy, it's just kind of an uncomfortable feeling sometimes, and at Massage Envy, it's very comfortable, it's a very classy atmosphere, the front desk is very professional. I've run into my buddies getting massages there before. It's just a nice place for a guy to be able to go and get a massage.
Massage Envy is a great place for anyone to get a massage. But more than massage, membership means discounts on gift certificates and retail, guest passes, and family add-on packages. With so much to offer, it's a wonder why you wouldn't become a member. Perhaps their mantra says it best: Massage Envy, the feeling everybody wants. Chances are Massage Envy has a location near you, with clinics in the Arden area, Elk Grove, Fair Oaks, Folsom, Roseville, and Vacaville, and coming this spring to El Dorado Hills and Lomans Plaza. Don't you deserve a Massage Envy membership? For more information, call 866-640-ENVY or visit massageenvy.com. Cosmetic surgery is literally changing the face of beauty, and now it's easier than ever to refresh your face and beautify your body. For more than 20 years, Dr. John Finkler has been perfecting the art of beauty. His plastic surgery practice, Accent Aesthetics, is thriving, housed in a beautiful facility located in Sacramento's Gold River area. But the beauty you see here is more than just skin deep. Accent Aesthetics Cosmetic Surgery Medical Center is a fully accredited surgery center recognized by the state of California. With the accent on you, Dr. Finkler and his dedicated staff offer patients a full menu of aesthetic enhancements. Before any procedure ever takes place, Dr. Finkler empowers his patients with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions.
Well, prior to any of our procedures, patients do come in for an individual personal consultation where we discuss their concerns and their issues and what they might like to change. And then we have to have a very practical conversation too, because some patients do have unrealistic expectations.
7 years ago, Esther Fuller came to Dr. Finkler for an eye lift, and she's been a devoted fan ever since.
I feel very comfortable in Dr. Finkler's hands because I believe that a well-informed patient is a very good patient. And from the moment that you come through the doors of Dr. Finkler's office, you're shared a wealth of information on what to expect, what the procedure is going to entail, your recovery period.
Esther is meeting with Dr. Finkler to discuss her next procedure, liposuction.
After Dr. Finkler had done my eye lift, he did such a great job. The results were so terrific. I came back to have a mini facelift about 3 years ago. And it was so natural, and he did such a great job that people couldn't even tell that I had had the facelift, and that's really what you want.
Today's leading-edge techniques makes it easier than ever to put your best face forward. Smaller incisions mean less pain and less recovery time.
We can offer patients better operations, takes less time to do them, quicker recovery, more comfort.
One of the biggest misconceptions in having an eye lift or a facelift is that it's going to be painful, that there's a long recovery time. For me, that has not been the case.
Clinical skincare, preoperative skin preparation programs, and camouflage makeup also make recovery much quicker.
One of the important things, most of us ladies are in the workforce today, and it's imperative that we get back to work and look natural and normal. And the cosmetician that is on staff is able to help you achieve those results.
From skincare products to a comprehensive surgical facility, Accent Aesthetics offers everything you need to refresh your face and beautify your body. Blending surgical and non-surgical techniques gives patients the best outcome, but it wouldn't mean a thing without the precision and artistry of an exceptional physician.
One of the best comments, or for that matter, flattery, is people say, "Who's your doctor?" Because they can't even believe that I've had a procedure. And that's how skilled that Dr. Finkler is in giving you a really natural look.
Happy patients make a practice successful, and there's no shortage of happy women who claim Dr. Finkler as their favorite.
Well, I love Dr. Finkler. I actually wish he was my primary physician because he is so nice. You feel so comfortable. You feel like you're a guest in someone's house. I've actually recommended the surgery to several people, and they've actually gone through with the surgery, and they love just as much as I do.
Ashley Betchley and her mother, Ann, both received breast augmentations, and they're thrilled with the results.
The best responses I've gotten from my surgery, which I never expected, was, they look so natural. I actually have to tell people sometimes that I got the surgery because they think that they're real.
Like many plastic surgeons, Dr. Finkler says breast augmentation is his most requested procedure.
About 2/3 of our breast augmentation patients are mothers who have had children or women who have lost a lot of weight for other reasons and wish to regain what they had. And then about 1/3 of the patients are the younger girls who would just like to have more than they had to begin with.
Today, Ashley is in for a follow-up visit. She had the surgery first, and once her mother saw the remarkable results, it became a family affair.
Ashley had the procedure done, and I was amazed with the results that Dr. Finkler provided. I thought she was perfect before, and once I saw what she has, I got to get some of those.
Well, Ashley was one of our younger patients, And she was quite small when she came to see us. She knew from her family history, from talking to her mother, that she wasn't going to get much larger on her own. And she just has such an outgoing, sparkly personality that she just kind of felt she could even sparkle more with some more volume.
I'm definitely more confident in day-to-day life, just putting on, I mean, even this top today, I feel amazing in it. Before, you know, I just kind of felt like a little girl, or just, I didn't feel like a woman, and I feel more my age now. I feel more confident in work, in my social life, and pretty much everything that I do. So it's definitely changed my life for the best.
Plastic surgery is the perfect blend of art and science. And Dr. Finkler would be the first to tell you reshaping and resculpting can be very rewarding, as it often reveals the true beauty within. Qualified plastic surgeons like Dr. Finkler are certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery or the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons of Canada. To learn more about Dr. Finkler, visit accentaesthetics.com or call 916-851-8400 to schedule a consultation. Did you know you can have the perfect pout without the metal mouth? Well, brace yourself. With cosmetic dentistry, you can have a reason to smile in just a few office visits. Craig Stevenson can't stop smiling.
Good morning, Jen.
His exuberant smile is contagious, but his grin wasn't always so gorgeous.
I was never comfortable with my smile. I had brown teeth, spacing, and a very bad bite.
Today, thanks to Dr. William Swearingen, Craig's sorry smile is a thing of the past.
Craig came to us with a multitude of problems. His big issue was spaces between his teeth. They were short, they were discolored. He had some bite issues. We were able to address all those issues with porcelain veneers and crowns, and we were able to accomplish it in just a few short weeks.
Cosmetic dentistry can take your smile from drab to fab in no time. The art and science of changing a person's smile, cosmetic dentistry, provides limitless options.
We can correct so many things. We can correct gum issues. We can correct crowding, spaces. We can correct wear. We can lengthen or shorten teeth. We can widen the smile. There's just a variety of things we can do. The possibilities are endless.
State-of-the-art techniques give designer dentists like Dr. Swearingen the ability to treat cosmetic cases. Thanks to procedures like teeth whitening, natural fillings, and porcelain veneers, it's easier than ever to have the smile of your dreams. Dr. Swearingen has the tools, knowledge, and years of aesthetic dental experience to create perfect, natural-looking smiles.
Because I didn't want to do 3 years of braces, I was very interested in getting it done quickly and getting everything done at once. And when I met Dr. Swearingen, he convinced me he could do that. And he told me he could do it in 4 weeks. He did, and I'm amazed.
Craig can't thank the doctor enough for his new smile, but perhaps the best compliment of all, a referral for his own mother's makeover.
Because I'm so happy with my smile and all the work that Dr. Swearingen did for me, I've had no problem referring them to my friends. Several have come in and they seem to be just as happy as I am. In fact, I actually had my mom come in and she's very happy with her smile too.
Happy clients are not uncommon for Dr. Swearingen. He's been creating beautiful smiles for over 27 years. And Marianne Mavrotsakis is another crowning success.
I'm so grateful that Dr. Swearingen is my dentist. I wouldn't trust my teeth to anybody else. I think he's an artist when it comes to teeth. You just sit back and let him work his magic.
Marianne's case was a very rewarding case because it has some complexity in it that a lot of cases don't have. But we were able to address that complexity and deal with her cosmetic issues and get her a great result in the end and make it a very functional as well as a very beautiful end result.
Marianne's new smile is beautiful, but it's more than just a pretty pout. Now her inner smile shines even brighter.
Before my mom had her teeth done, she never smiled, and she was always self-conscious about laughing in front of people, didn't like to smile in front of the camera to show her teeth. But now that she's had it done, everything has changed. She loves to laugh and smile, take photos. It's great. You can see the confidence in her, and you can tell she feels beautiful.
I just love my new smile. I feel like I have more confidence. I'm smiling more. I really think I look younger. It's probably the best thing that I ever did for myself, just for me.
Smiles are truly important in our lives. It's one of the first 2 or 3 things that we notice about one another according to studies that have been done. We see it when patients come into our office and they're not happy with their smile, and we're able to transform them into a beautiful smile. The positive changes in the person's persona is just amazing.
With the latest advancements in cosmetic dental care, Dr. Swearingen gives his patients the chance to smile a little easier. And that, he says, inspires his own smile.
Cosmetic dentistry is truly exciting both for our office and for the patients. We get to see the changes that occur in people, and it's very rewarding for both my staff and I to be able to see patients blossom after we've done cosmetic dentistry. Patients themselves are rewarded because they walk out feeling much better about themselves. So everybody gains. It's truly a rewarding profession to be involved with.
Statistics reveal that your smile is key to your personal success. Revitalize your smile and revitalize your life. Call Dr. Swearingen at 916-966-1175 to schedule your personal consultation or visit the web at dentalmagic.net. For so many, losing weight is a heavyweight challenge, and oftentimes losing weight doesn't mean you can keep it off. Our next segment has the slimming secrets for weight loss success. Delia Pants is walking with a little pep in her step.
I feel great. I can honestly say it was hard work, but well worth it.
Petite and trim, she's a mere shadow of her former self.
The last time I wore these jeans, I was a size 18, and now I'm a size 2.
Over the past 2 years, Delia lost 70 pounds, but she didn't do it all by herself. Thanks to Dr. Ed Hendricks and the staff at Medical Weight Control, Delia and thousands like her have lost weight and kept it off.
Having lost all this weight, I feel a lot more healthier, more energetic. I have a whole different outlook on life.
Offering the latest in innovative medical technology for health and wellness, Medical Weight Control is the Sacramento area's leader in bariatric medicine.
Obesity is a very big problem. And part of the problem is that it keeps increasing. So it's an epidemic. It's actually a worldwide epidemic. So what we're doing here is not trying to cure the epidemic, but trying to offer what's scientific and what works.
Dr. Hendricks believes for many people, being overweight is a lifelong metabolic condition. It's often inherited and may never go away.
The problem with it is it's a chronic illness. So what I tell our patients when they come in is that you need to be a patient for life. If you get bored with me, we'll help you find somebody else, but you need a physician who is willing to work with you on the basis that this is a chronic illness and it's not going to go away. So it has to be managed.
Hi, Brad. Good morning. Many people lose weight, but by ignoring their illness, they often regain the weight. Through modern medical science and a diet with an optimum protein intake, Dr. Hendricks and his staff help clients lose the weight, manage the illness, and ultimately maintain their weight loss.
Well, I'd started with Dr. Hendricks about a year ago. It was right before Christmas, and I weighed about 325 pounds. And I had started a diet on my own, but I knew I needed help. And within a short time, at about 4 to 5 months, I had lost over 70 pounds. When I had started, I know I was wearing a size 52 pant, I was wearing a 3XL shirt. And now I come in here, I'm wearing a size 40 pant, a large shirt, and I'm really on track to go even lower.
For Brant Woodford, the personal plan and support that Dr. Hendricks provided was the answer to a lifetime of yo-yo dieting.
Well, it was an individualized plan for me. It wasn't just, this is our schedule and here, follow it. It was looking at why I had gained weight, why I wasn't able to lose weight, my body type. I mean, it was everything. It was diet, it was looking at things that, would just help me, and then sticking with me and keeping me motivated. And it was just very personalized.
We're different because we focus on the medical aspects. So the commercial programs will put a patient on a diet, and they'll use staff that may or may not have been trained in nutrition. They don't have long-term maintenance programs, whereas we evaluate the patient medically, and everything is directed by that medical evaluation.
Today, Brant is in for a follow-up exam. He's lost a tremendous amount of weight and has plans to lose more. He knows that diet alone won't do, and exercise alone isn't the answer, but together with a prescribed plan of positive support and medical practice, he can enjoy lifelong weight maintenance.
The difference I found with Dr. Hendricks and his staff is that I knew that I needed to eat less, I needed to exercise, but I needed so much more. I needed support, I needed to analyze why I was doing these things, and even when I made mistakes, to break down why that happened and come up with a plan that would adjust to it.
Everyone on the staff is cognizant of what needs to be done. Everyone on the staff, myself included, lives this program. We all eat this way, we all exercise, we believe in it. And so we're able to help the patient identify the issues and deal with them. We're able to help motivate the patient.
It's easy to be motivated when you start losing weight, but Dr. Hendricks knows that continued success can be difficult because the struggle never ends.
Sometimes patients stay away for a while and gain weight, and they're sometimes afraid to come back because they feel like they failed me. I never fuss at the patients when they come back in. What I tell them is this is an illness, and sometimes things will go well, and sometimes you run into roadblocks. When you run into a roadblock, that's when you need to get back and see us because we can help.
Well, there's no limit in terms of the amount of time that they'll spend with me. Whenever I came here, I had a lot of misconceptions and things that I was just wrong about, and they were things that actually were standing in the way of me losing weight. And each time that I come in, I feel like I have all my questions answered. I have a complete plan that will put me on the right track, and I don't feel rushed, and it's always as much as I'm ready to work with.
Dr. Hendricks and the staff at Medical Weight Control are committed to helping patients achieve their weight loss goals with all the best that compassion and medical care can offer.
The patients do love what we do for them. They do appreciate it. We've literally changed lives, and it happens every week, every month. We have success stories with dozens and dozens of scores. I lost count of how many success stories, and that's very satisfying. It's very gratifying.
Once overweight himself, Dr. Hendricks maintains his weight by practicing the very diet and lifestyle he teaches his patients. Visit Medical Weight Control in Sacramento and Roseville. To book your free consultation, call or visit drhendricks.net. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the beauty within. I'm Kristen Samos, wishing you all things beautiful.